So first we'll start with our yogic prayer. For that, slowly join your heels. Okay, join your palm. And chant after my chanting. Om Sahanai Bhavatu. Yes, after the yogic prayer, now we'll go for the warming up session. Okay, for that, slowly bounce your feet on the ground without leaving the ground. Okay, now slowly walk on the spot. Walk on the spot. Okay, now slowly kick front. Okay, sideward. Okay, now bounce on the spot. Okay, bounce. Okay, now twist. Okay, now slowly go down. Okay, now we'll go for the spit. Okay, get ready. Go. Yes. Okay, once again. Go. Okay, last time. Go. Okay. Okay, now join your heels, bring your hand side of your thigh. Now we'll go for the jumping jack exercise. We have to start from the left side. Okay, get ready. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, very good. Okay, feet apart. Okay, now slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Place it above your head, interlock your hand, and slowly stretch your hand up. Now take a deep inhale, and slowly come up on your toes, and walk front. Okay, now slowly come back to your place. Come back to your place. Yes, face front. Now take a deep inhale in the same position. Exhale and slowly bend forward. Don't bend your knee. Okay, be there. Feel the stretch. Now slowly move to the right side. Move to the right side. Yeah, slowly come forward. Now move to the left side. Yes, now come forward and up. Now raise your hand up, raise your hand up. Now take a deep inhale, exhale, and slowly bend your knee. And raise your hand up, yes. Feel the stretch on your back, feel the stretch, don't bend your elbow, stretch it up. Yes, now bring your hand sideward. Yes, relax. Okay, now we'll go size. Okay, for that, slowly bend forward, take a deep inhale and exhale. Once more time, bend forward and take a deep inhale and exhale. Last time, bend forward, take a deep inhale and exhale. Okay, feet apart. Now we will start our joint rotation. So we'll start from our neck rotation from the left side. Okay, get ready. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change from another side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now bring your hand front. Now we'll go for the shoulder rotation from the outside. Get ready. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to the inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bring your hand front. Now we'll go for deflection and extension of our elbow joint. Okay, get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bring your right hand front. Pull your fingers towards yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bring your left hand front and pull the fingers towards yourself. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bring your right hand towards the left side and stretch the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bring your left hand toward the right side. Stretch the shoulder. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now bring your hand side of your rib cage. Now we'll go for the twisting. Okay, get ready. Okay, we have to start from the left side. Okay, get ready. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now bring your hand in front of your chest. Now we'll go for the stretching of our chest muscles. Okay, get ready. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now join your heels together. Okay, bring your hand side of your thigh. Now slowly bring your right hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Now slowly bring your left hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend toward the right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come back. Okay, now feet apart. Now we'll go for the forward and the backward bending. For that, place your hand on your back, the 8 fingers pointing toward the sideward, and place your thumb in the middle of your spine. Now take a deep inhale. Exhale. Bend backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now slowly bend forward and place your hand on the ground. You can place your palm on the ground. Hold the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Raise up. Now place your hand on your hip. Now we'll go for the hip rotation. We will start from the left side. Okay, get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Change from another side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now feet apart. Okay, feet apart, toe pointing toward the sideward. Heel facing each other toward the inside. Then after that, slowly bend your knee and place your hand above your knee. And slowly push your knees with the help of your elbow joint towards the backward and feel the stretch at the inner side of your thigh. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, up. Now fold your mat and stand on your knee. Fold your mat and stand on your knee. Okay, now slowly raise your right foot up. Bring your right foot front. Now place your heel on the ground. Now slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend forward. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the same position, shift your body weight on your right knee and place your hand on your right knee. After that, slowly roll your shoulder back and up. Chest up, eye up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After that, slowly bring your right foot to the sideward. Now place your right hand on your hip. Now slowly bring your left hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, come back. Now bring your left foot front. Place the heel on the ground and the toe pointing towards the upward. In the same position, slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend forward. Now feel the stretch on the back side of your left foot. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the same position, shift your body weight on your left foot and place your hand on your left knee. Now slowly roll your shoulder back, chest up and up, eye up. Yes, hold the position. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly bring your left foot to the sideward. Now place your left hand on your hip. Now slowly bring your right hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend to the left side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come back. Unfold your mat. Come in long sitting position. Unfold your mat. Come in long sitting position. Okay, feet apart. Feet apart as much as you can. Now slowly bring your hand. Slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend forward. Okay, be there wherever you reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's up. Now slow bend your left knee and bring your right foot a little bit to the inside, which will make a 45-degree angle. Now slow bring your hand from the sideward. Place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend forward and try to hold your ankle with half of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's up. Now bend your right knee and bring your left foot a little bit to the inside, which will make a 45-degree angle. And slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend forward. Hold your ankle with half of your hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's up. Okay, now join your heels together. Bring your hand back. The back side. Bend your both knees together. And slowly raise your right foot up and place it upon your left knee. And try to touch your chin to your right ankle so that you can feel the stretch on the back side of your thigh. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now raise your left foot up, place it upon your right knee, and try to touch your chin to your left ankle. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now bend your right knee, hold your ankle with the help of your hand. Then after that, slowly extend your right knee up, stretch it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your knee and place it on the ground. Now bend your left knee and hold your ankle with the help of your hand and slowly up, extend your knees. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now place it on the ground. Now place your hand on your back. Now we'll go for the rotation of our ankle joint. So we will start from the left side. Okay, get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From the another side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now slow lie down and be in Shavasana for 1 minute. Now slowly join your heels and turn toward the right side. Push the ground with help of your left hand and come in standing position. Come in standing position. Now we are going to perform 5 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Okay, for that join your heels together. Now bring your hand side of your thigh. Okay, get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now last time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, lie down and be in Shavasana. Inhale and exhale. Try to relax yourself. Inhale and exhale. Try to relax yourself. Okay, feet apart, toe pointing toward the sideward, heels facing each other toward the inside. Then bring your hand a little bit away from your body. Okay, now slowly join your heels together. Now bring your hands side of your thigh. The first asana we're going to perform on supine position, that is Supta Matsyendrasana. For that, slowly bring your hands sideward, the palm on the ground. After that, slowly bend your right knee, pull it towards yourself and slowly place it on the left side with the help of your left hand and the face facing towards the right side. Now feel the twist on your back. One, two, three, 4 and 5. Come back. Now bend your left knee, pull it towards yourself and slowly place it on the right side with the help of your right hand and the face facing towards the left side. Hold the position, feel the twist on your back. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And relax. Now slowly join your heels, bring your hands side of your thigh. The second asana we're going to perform on, that is Ardha Muktasana. For that, slowly bend your right knee, now pull it towards yourself. Hold your knees with the help of your hand in interlock position and up. Yes, up, up. Try to touch your chin to your knees. Contract your abdominal muscles and stretch your toes forward. Stretch your toes. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now bend your left knee. Now pull it towards yourself with the help of your left hand. Pull it towards yourself and interlock your hand with the help of your hand. And up. Yes, up. Stretch your toes, stretch your toes. Stretch your toes, stretch your toes. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back and relax. Now slowly join your heels. The next asana we're going to perform on supine position, Purnapon Muktasana. For that, slowly bend your both knees together. Now pull it towards yourself. Hold your knees with the help of your hand in interlock position and up. Yes, up. Stretch your toes forward. Stretch your toes forward. Touch your chin to your knees. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now roll front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And relax. Okay, next asana. For that, slowly join your heels together. Then bring your hands side of your thigh. The name of the asana is Setu Bandhasana. The bridge that bend your knees together. Maintain a gap between your feet. And place your hand on the ground. Place your palm on the ground. Now slowly push the ground with help of your hand and raise your abdomen up and stand on your shoulder. Stand on your shoulder so that there will be a curve on your back. There will be a curve on your back. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back and relax. Now slowly join your heels together. Now bring your hands side of your thigh. Last asana we're going to perform on supine position, that is Naukasana. For that, place your hand above your thigh and up. Yes, up. Stretch your toes forward. Stretch your toes forward. Stretch your toes forward. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and a half, half and half, half and half and half, and 5. Okay, so join your heels, bring your hands side of your thigh, turn to the right side, push the ground with help of your left hand, and slowly come on your pro-line position, that is on your abdominal position, and come in relaxed pose. Okay, first asana we're going to perform on pro-line position. The name of the asana is Matsyendrasana on the pro-line position. For that, slowly bring your hands sideward. The palm on the ground, place your chin on the ground. After that, slowly raise your right feet up, bend and place it on the left side. And feel the twist on your back. Place your chin on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back. Now raise your left foot up, bend and place it on the right side. Now feel the twist on your back. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back and relax. Now slowly join your heels. The second asana we're going to perform on pro-line position. The name of the asana is Bhujangasana, the snake pose. For that, bring your hand side of your rib cage, palm on the ground, and elbow pointing upward. Now slowly push the ground and up. Look it up, look it up, look it up. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back and relax. Now slowly join your heels. The third asana we're going to perform on pro-line position. The name of the asana is Naukasana on the pro-line position. For that, slowly bring your hands sideward and up. Yes, up, 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 up. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, and 5. Okay, now slowly join your heels. The last asana we're going to perform on pro-line position. The name of the asana is Dhanurasana. For that, slowly bend your knees together. Hold your ankle with help of your hand. Now push the ground with help of your abdominal muscles and up. Look it up, look it up, look it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, join your heels. Okay, join your heels. Bring your hands out of your rib cage. Push the ground. Push the ground. Fold your mat. Fold your mat. And maintain a little bit gap between your knees and slowly bend forward. Now place your chin on the ground. Place your chin on the ground. Yes, slowly up. Yes, up. Unfold your mat. Come in long sitting position. Now come in relaxative pose. Feet apart. Place your heel on the ground and the toe pointing upward. Now place your hand on your back and the fingers pointing towards the back side. And you can place your head either toward the right or the left shoulder. Okay, first asana we're going to perform on long sitting position, that is a Purnamasana. For that, so bring your hand side of your thigh and feet apart as much as you can. Feet apart as much as you can. Place your heel on the ground and the toe pointing upward. And after that, slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend forward. Okay, be there wherever you reach. Okay, be there wherever you reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, up and come in relaxative pose. Place your hand back. Place your head either to the right or the left shoulder. Okay, now slowly join your heels together. Now bring your hands out of your thigh. The second asana we're going to perform on long sitting position. The name of the asana is Janu Shirasana. For that, slowly bend your left knee and bring your right knee a little bit away from the midline, which will make a 45-degree angle. Okay, now slowly bring your hand from the sideward and place it above your head. Now take a deep inhale, exhale and slowly bend forward. Hold your ankle with the help of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now bend your right knee and bring your left foot a little bit toward the inside. which will make a 45-degree angle, and slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale, exhale, and slowly bend forward. Hold your ankle with the help of your hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come back and come in relaxed pose. Okay, third asana we are going to perform on long sitting position. The name of the asana is Paschimi Uttanasana. For that, slow join your heels together. Hand side of your thigh. Now slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend forward. Hold your ankle with the help of your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, up. And come in relaxed pose. Okay, now slow join your heels, bring your hands side of your thigh. The last asana we are going to perform, long sitting position. The name of the asana is Ardha Matsyendrasana. Okay, for that, slowly bend your right knee. Slowly bring your hand from the sideward. And after that, slowly turn to the right side. Place your right hand on your back. And the face facing towards the right side in the line of your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Now bend your left knee. Now slowly turn to the left side. Left side. Place your left hand on your back. And the face facing towards the left side in the line of your shoulder. And feel the twist on your back. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, come in relaxed pose. Now slowly join your heels. Now bring your hands side of your thigh. And now after that, now slowly fold your mat, bend your knee and come in position. Fold your mat, come in kneeling position. Now we are going to perform Ustasana, the camel pose. For that, stand on your knee and maintain a little bit gap between your knees according to your shoulder width level. And bring your hand front. Now take a deep inhale and go. Now push your abdomen front. Push your abdomen front so that you will feel the stretch on your back. Drop your head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, slowly bend forward. Yes, slowly up. Yes, up. Unfold your mat and come in standing position. Okay, join your heels. Now bring your hand side of your thigh. The first asana we are going to perform on standing position. The name of the asana is Tadasana, the mountain pose. For that, feet apart according to your shoulder width level. Now slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Interlock your hand and and take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly come up on your toes. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's come back. Now bring your hand a little bit away from your body. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Try to relax yourself. Now slowly join your heels. Now bring your hands side of your thigh. The second asana, that is Ardha Kati Chakrasana. For that, slowly bring your right hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend to the left side. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now slowly bring your left hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend to the right side. Hold the position. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, feet apart. Now bring your hand a little bit away from your body. I will remain close. Inhale and exhale. Try to relax yourself. Now slowly join your heels. Now bring your hands side of your thigh. The third asana we are going to perform on standing position, that is Utkatasana, the chair pose. For that, feet apart according to your shoulder width level. Now slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Interlock your hand and index finger pointing to the ceiling. Now take a deep inhale. Exhale and slowly bend your knee and stretch your upper body up. Keep your spine straight. Okay, don't bend your elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes, feet apart. Bring your hand a little bit away from your body. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Try to relax yourself. Now so you join your heels. Now bring your hands side of your thigh. The next asana we are going to perform on standing position. The name of the asana is Brikshasana, the tree pose. Okay, for that, bend your right knee and place it inner side of your left thigh. Now slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Interlock your hand and index fingers pointing toward upward. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back. Now bend your left knee and place your feet inner side of your right feet. Now slowly bring your hand from the sideward. Now place it above your head. Interlock your hand and index finger pointing toward up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Let's come back. Feet apart. Place your hand a little bit away from your body. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Try to relax yourself. Okay, now slowly join your heels. Now bring your hands side of your thigh. Okay, last asana we're going to perform on standing position. The name of the asana is Veerbhadrasana, the warrior pose. For that, turn toward the right side, turn toward the right side, turn toward the right side. Okay, now feet apart as much as you can. Feet apart as much as you can. Now right toe pointing toward the right side, left toe a little bit toward the inside. Then slowly bring your hand from the sideward, which will make a parallel to the ground. After that, bend your right knee, and the face facing towards the right side in the line of your shoulder. Hold the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the same position, left toe pointing to the left side, right toe a little bit to the inside. Bring your hand sideward and slowly bend your left knee and the face facing towards the left side and come in final position. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now so lie down and be in Shavasana. Okay, feet apart, toe pointing toward the sideward, heels facing each other toward the inside, and place your hand a little bit away from your body and palm facing towards upward. After that, place your right hand on your abdomen. Place your right hand on your abdomen. Now feel the bulging of your abdomen muscles, which is going up and down. Feel the bulging of your abdominal muscles, which is going up and down. Now concentrate on your abdominal muscles. Inhale and exhale. Try to relax yourself. Inhale and exhale. Try to relax yourself. Whenever you are in Shavasana, don't fall asleep. Keep your consciousness awake. Now slowly move the fingers of your hand, move the fingers of your feet. Now slowly join your heels together. Okay, join your palm. Here we come to at the end of the session. Okay, chant after my chanting. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your hand, make it warm, and slowly massage on your face, massage on your eyeball. With the blink, open your eyes. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, good morning to everyone. So after the yoga demonstration, I would like to invite our Vice Chancellor, Professor Keshingon Samdella, to
और अभी भी संपन्न हुआ कि मेरा योग कई घंटों पहले समाप्त हो चुके थे। ये योग आज एक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय दिवस, योग दिवस के रूप में मनाया जा रहा है। ये एक अत्यंत हर्ष की बात है, न केवल भारत में अपितु संपूर्ण विश्व में योग का अभ्यास हो रहा है। लोग योग सीख रहे हैं और उससे लाभान्वित हो रहे हैं। यदि हम और इसी के फलस्वरूप आप देख सकते हैं कि प्राचीन काल में संपूर्ण एशिया में भारत के ज्ञान और योग से प्रकाशित हुआ और परिवर्तित हुआ। आज भी संपूर्ण विश्व में भारत का ज्ञान प्रकाश दे रहे हैं और इसी प्रक्रिया में योग के माध्यम से भी लोग लाभान्वित हो रहे हैं। योग भारत के प्राचीन सभ्यता का एक मूलभूत देन है। ये ऐसे एक व्यवस्था है, इसे आप विज्ञान के रूप में कहिए, मनोविज्ञान के रूप में कहिए, या फिर एक आंतरिक टेक्नोलॉजी के रूप में भी कह सकते हैं, आभ्यंतरिक टेक्नोलॉजी के रूप में भी कह सकते हैं। बहुत ही गंभीर है। पूरी मानसिक परिस्थिति में परिवर्तित लाने के लिए और फिर शारीरिक परिस्थिति में परिवर्तन लाने के लिए। और योग कई प्रकार के होते हैं। जो अभी आप लोग कर रहे थे वो स्थूलतम योग, बाहरी योग, और बाहरी योग के बाद फिर आभ्यंतरिक योग होता है। और आभ्यंतरिक योग से भी सूक्ष्म अति आभ्यंतरिक होता है और अति सूक्ष्म योग होता है। और ये सारे एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं। बाहरी योग से शरीर को कर्मण्य बनाया जाता है, जो हम तिब्बती भाषा में लैस रुआ, लू लैस रुआ, सिम लैस रुआ, शारीरिक शरीर में कर्मण्यता लाने में और शरीर को कर्मण्य बनाने के लिए, साधना के लिए ये योग होता है। और इससे जो स्थूल योग अभी आप लोग कर रहे थे उससे शारीरिक लाभ होता है और अनुलोम विलोम आदि के माध्यम से फिर श्वास में ऑक्सीजन प्राणवायु आने के कारण संपूर्ण शरीर में, ब्लड सेल्स में, ब्लड में और न्यूरॉन्स में, मस्तिष्क के न्यूरॉन्स में एक नवीनीकरण होता है और उससे कई प्रकार के रोग अपने आप शांत होता है। ये बहुत ही लाभकारी प्रयोग हैं जो लोग करके जब इससे लाभ होता है तो फिर करते रहते हैं और दूसरों को भी बताते रहते हैं। और ये बहुत ही एक स्थूल क्रिया है जो कि अभी आपने किया है। लेकिन ये अगर नियमित रूप से करें और लोग इसे अपने जीवन का अंग बना लें तो उस रोग से मुक्त होने के लिए और आगे स्वस्थ रहने के लिए बहुत ही लाभप्रद है। इसके साथ साथ फिर हम जब इससे थोड़ा सूक्ष्म शारीरिक होते हुए भी थोड़ा सूक्ष्म योग करेंगे तो और फिर एक उसका उतना एक सूक्ष्म लाभ होता है। और मानसिक स्थिति पर, मानसिक स्तर पर जाकर के जब योग करते हैं तो मानसिक शुद्धिकरण की प्रक्रिया, और हमारे मन जो है साधारण अवस्था में मन जो है साधना के कर्मण्य नहीं होते हैं, लोभ मोह क्रोध दोष द्वेष आदि से प्रभावित होकर के लोग एक कुशल कर्म के लिए कर्मण्य नहीं बनते हैं। तो योग के माध्यम से, मानसिक योग के माध्यम से इन सारे दोषों से मुक्त हो सकता है, और इन सारे दोषों से मुक्त होते होते अपने चित्त की शुद्धिकरण किया जा सकता है। वैसे योग का मतलब होता है कि जोड़ना या लगाना, मिलाना, मिलना। किससे मिलना? अपने मन को तत्व से मिलना, और तब जाकर के तत्व ज्ञान की प्राप्ति होती है। और ये इस तरह से हम शारीरिक की शुद्धिकरण, मानसिक शुद्धिकरण और भी सूक्ष्म स्तर पर जाकर के अत्यंत सूक्ष्म और अत्यंत गुह्य और अति आध्यात्मिक के जब योग के स्तर पर जाते हैं तो उसका लाभ बहुत ही सूक्ष्म और बहुत ही उच्च कोटि के होता है। लेकिन ये प्रारंभ जैसे आपने किया है वहीं से शुरू करना चाहिए, और इससे लाभ होना कोई कहीं से छिपा नहीं है, पूरे विश्व के पटल पर ये प्रकाशित हैं, लोग इससे लाभान्वित हो रहे हैं। जहाँ तक शारीरिक और मानसिक योग करने पर छात्रों को भी एक पढ़ने के लिए, अध्ययन करने के लिए इसका चित्त की एकाग्रता, चित्त की एक शुद्धिकरण के माध्यम से अध्ययन के लिए भी बहुत ही लाभप्रद होता है। और आगे जाकर के यदि पूरे जीवन स्वस्थ रहना है शारीरिक रूप से, मानसिक रूप से, तो मैं समझता हूँ कि आज भारत के जो ज्ञान, योग और मेडिटेशन, ध्यान भी जो मेडिटेशन कहा जाता है वो भी योग का एक अंग है। आज मेडिटेशन के नाम से लोग बहुत ही आकर्षित होते हैं पूरी दुनिया में, और ये और कुछ नहीं है, मेंटल ट्रेनिंग है। मेंटल ट्रेनिंग के माध्यम से मानसिक शुद्धिकरण हो सकता है। बहुत सारे कचरा हमारे दिमाग में भरा हुआ रहता है, उसी से मन अशांत रहते हैं, और उसी अशांत मन से फिर शरीर पर प्रभाव पड़ता है, और उसी के कारण अपने व्यवहार पर प्रभाव पड़ता है, और उसी से अपने समाज पर प्रभाव पड़ता है। यदि समाज में शांति लाना हो तो व्यक्तिगत, वैयक्तिक स्तर पर अपने जीवन में परिवर्तन लाना चाहिए, और वो परिवर्तन केवल बाह्य रूप से नहीं, अपितु अपने मानसिक स्तर पर परिवर्तन ला करके जो हमारे दिमाग में जितने भी क्लेश, जो दुष्विचार है, काम क्रोध लोभ मोह, इसको जितना हो सके मेडिटेशन के माध्यम से, मेंटल ट्रेनिंग के माध्यम से अगर हम कम कर सकें तो उतना ही शांति आपको महसूस होने लगेगा। तब जा कर के आप इसे कन्विंस हो सकते हैं कि ये वास्तव में ही ये बहुत ही लाभप्रद है। तो योग के बहुत सारे स्तरें होते हैं, लेवल्स होते हैं, और शारीरिक ही नहीं, मानसिक स्तर पर जैसे मैंने बताया बहुत ही संक्षेप में, तो इसका लाभ हो रहा है, पूरी दुनिया जान रहे हैं। इसलिए नियमित रूप से अगर कर सकें तो मैं समझता हूँ कि निश्चय ही अपने व्यक्तिगत जीवन में लाभ होगा और सामाजिक जीवन में भी लाभ हो सकता है। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं सबका हम ये अभिनंदन करते हैं कि आज इसमें सम्मिलित होकर के आप सब ने योग दिवस मनाया, और यही एक आपके जीवन का अंग बने, यही मेरा आपसे अपील है। धन्यवाद।